Good morning students, my name is Shashank Pararma and today I am going to discuss fraction, that is part 5. So student, in previous part we discussed lots of things, how to reduce the fraction, what is proper, what is improper, how to convert like fraction. Clear students? So in previous video we discussed lots of things about fraction. Now in this video we discuss also some other topic, and our topic is student conversion of given fraction. Our topic is conversion of given fraction into equivalent like fraction to equivalent like fraction. Okay student, so today our topic is conversion of given fraction to equivalent like fraction. Now student, you know that what is a like fraction, what is unlike fraction. I explain everything on the basis of denominator. Okay, so now in this video we discuss conversion of how to convert conversion of given fraction to equivalent like fraction. Okay student, so now I will explain this with the base of one example. Like example is given student, like 7/12 and 5/21. 7/12 and 5/21. Okay student, so now how to convert this? First, see student, you have to know this is what 12 and 21 are 12 and 21 are what? They are denominator and they are not equal. They are not equal, due to this they are unlike fraction. So 12 and 21 are the numerator. So write down this, they are the denominator. They are denominator. Okay student, why I am writing this? For give you proper explanation. Okay, you don't have to write down. So now we will find out LCM of 12 and 21. LCM of 12 and 21. Everyone know how to find out LCM student. They will find out LCM 12 and 21. Okay student. Now 2 6 are 12, 21, 2 3 are 6, 21, 3 1 are 3, 6 7 are 21. Now 7 1 are 7. Okay. So what is the LCM? 2 2 are 4, 3 are 12, 12 7 are what LCM student? 12 7 are 84. You will write down here LCM is 84. Okay student, so LCM is 84. It means LCM of 12 and 24 is 84. Okay student, what next you have to do? Every student make a mistake in this. What you have to do student? Now you have to divide this LCM with this denominator. Once again I am going to repeat. You have to divide this numerator, denominator means LCM, with the help of this denominator, and what will come you have to multiply in numerator. Again student, you have to divide this LCM with the help of denominator. Something come, then you will multiply in this numerator. Okay, so now if you will once again you can write down 7 into comma 5 into, it will be more easy. Okay, because ultimately you have to multiply with the help of numerator. So now student, 12 7 ja 84. Okay, now 7, here you will write down 7 because you have to multiply it by numerator. What comes now? Again 21 4 ja 84. Okay, so now you will multiply it by 4. Is that clear everyone? What I did, first I divide this LCM with the help of denominator and this denominator, and the number which comes we will multiply in the numerator. Now write down student, it will become what? 49/84. 49/84, and then this one is what? 20/84. 20/84. Okay student, so see student, they are what? 49/84 or they are what? 20/84. Now see student, denominator is same. So you can say they are what? They are like fraction. Okay, so by this, with the help of this, you can solve this question very easily. Okay student, now again if you want to reduce it, so 20/84, 49/84 you want to reduce it student. So 49/84 what it will become? See student, 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. Okay, again the number will come 7/12 and 5/21. Okay, and now with the help of this one we convert it because denominator is same. So in the like fraction denominator is same. When denominator is same, then we can say they are the like fraction. Okay student. they are the like. Now our next topic, we will discuss our next topic. So your next topic is also based on these conversions. So student, our next topic is comparison of the fraction. Okay student, now in this video we will discuss, now next is comparison of the fraction. Now how to compare? To see student, why I discuss these things, because this is helpful in the comparison of the fraction. So now our next topic is comparison of fraction. We will discuss comparison of fraction. One by one we will discuss all things. Comparison of fraction. Okay student, this is our next topic. This is also very important. So now first thing is given comparison of the fraction. First is given comparison of like fraction. First is given comparison of like fraction. Okay student, first thing is that comparison of like fraction. Okay, अब like fraction, you know that what is the meaning of like fraction student? Like fraction means whose denominator is same. Whose denominator is same. For example, you can take 4/7, 3/7. Okay student, these are the example of like fraction. अब in like fraction how will you compare? So student, always maintain a concept कि if like fraction are given, okay, so the number having greater numerator is greater. The number having greater numerator is greater. It means if the fraction are like, so if anyone asks you which one is greater, we will say in the like fraction the number having greater numerator is the greater value. Yani 4/7 is greater. Again example I can take 5/8 and 7/8. So see student, this is also the example of what? Like fraction. Also example of like fraction. If I want to know which one is greater, so you can say, sir, they are the like fraction. They are the like fraction because denominator are same. And the next thing is that in like fraction, the fraction having greater numerator is the greater value. So now this is your greater 7/8. Okay student, so this is about comparison of like fraction. Now the next thing is that student, comparison of what? Next is given comparing fraction with same numerator. Comparing fraction with same numerator. See, comparing fraction with same numerator. Okay student, in previous, also you can do we can understand the unlike fraction. Okay, because in like fraction denominator are same, and this one comparing fraction with the same numerator. Okay student, the numerator will be same. So again I am going to take one example. Like example, it is given 1/3 and 1/5. Okay student, अब see student here comparison of the fraction with same numerator. तो numerator see student 1 and 1. अब in previous we discussed कि the numerator having greater value is the greater, will be greater. Okay, but in this there is opposite. But in this there is opposite part. The denominator having small value. The denominator having small value will be the greater. It means in the fraction having same numerator, so what you will say is the denominator having less value is greater than other one. So here what we will write down? 1/3 is greater than 1/5. So student, this is the basic difference. Again you can take like 1/7 and what? 1/11 is given. If I want to know which one is greater, so you know that according to definition, what if fraction are unlike, it means if numerator are same, not denominator, numerator are same, so what you can say कि the smaller fraction having greater value. It means the denominator having smaller value. See, 7 is smaller than 11. So what you will say? 1/7 is greater than 1/11. But student, in the like fraction, the fraction having greater numerator is the greater value. Okay student, so this is the basic difference which I want to explain. I think you are able to understand. Okay student, now come to the general method of comparison. General method of comparison student. The next topic in your book is given general method of comparing fraction. General method of comparing. General method of comparing fractions. Okay, student. Various method are given. Here I am going to discuss general method of comparing fraction. So, student, what is the general method? What is the general method? So, student, general method, you can take LCM or you can do the cross multiplication. In 5th standard also, I think you solve that based on you solve the question based on this. Okay. So now first we will discuss the general method. Okay, student. For example, it is given 5 upon 13 and 9 upon 13. 9 upon 30. Now, student, I want to know which one is greater. Which one is greater? The first one thing will click in your mind. Okay, this is the example of what like fraction because denominator are same. Simply we will mark this one is greater. There is no need of solving anything. Okay, student. This is about what? This is about like fraction. Now, if next thing is given, student, like 2 upon 7 and 2 upon 9. Okay, student, 2 upon 7 and 2 upon 9. Again I explain, student. See, this is what? This is the fraction whose numerator is equal. See, numerator is equal. So what I explained, if numerator is equal, it means they are in the category of unlike fraction because like fraction denominator are equal. Okay, so if numerator is equal, it means the denominator having smaller value is the greater fraction. So now 2 upon 7 will be greater. Okay, student. So by this directly you can solve the question very easily. Okay, student. The next thing is that student, if you don't want to apply this method, like question is given 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 6. Which fraction is greater? You have to find out, student. Okay. So now how you will find out? First you have to convert to equivalent like fraction. Again you can solve this question by this way. But student, let us assume one option is given, like 4 option is given. Okay, 4 option is given. Try to understand. So if you know that how to do cross multiplication, it will come 6 4 jar 24 and 5 5 jar 25. Okay, student, you know that which one is greater? This one is greater. This one is greater. You know that? Okay, student. But if option it is not given, which one is greater? So what you will do, student? You will solve the question properly. You have to solve the question properly. Kaise? How? See, 6 and 5 is given, student. 6 and 5 is given. So first you will take the LCM of what? The LCM of 5 and 6. Okay, first we will take the LCM of 5 and 6. Now it will come what? 5 2 3 are 6. Now 3 1 5 1 5. This is the best method, student. This is the best method. Now 3 2 are 6, 6 5 are 30. LCM is 30. You will write down 30, student. You will write down 30. There is no problem in 30. Okay. Next is that 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30 and 6 4 are 24. Okay, student. Next is given 6 5 are 30. 5 5 are 25. Okay, student. Now you know that this will come 24 upon 30. 24 upon 30 and next is come 25 upon 30. Some student, I know some student will do the mistake, they will add, but you don't have to add, student. Only you have to find out which one is better. And now only you have to compare. So now student, you can see 24 upon 30 and 25 upon 30. Which one is greater, student? You know that this one is greater. By how much? You will subtract. By how much? Then you will subtract. Next thing, student, if examiner is given question in 4 upon 5 and in 5 upon 6, which one is greater? And option is given A equal to 4 upon 5, B equal to 5 upon 6, C equal to 1 upon 30 and D equal to none of these. Okay, student. So which number you will mark? Here there is answer 24 upon 30 and 25 upon 30. So student, always remember you have to also find out the actual value. See, 24 upon 30 this side, left hand side. The left hand side, which value is written, student? 4 upon 5. You will write down 4 upon 5. Okay, student. Next, which value is written, student? 5 upon 6. So you will write down 5 upon 6. It means right hand side you will write down right value, left hand side you will write down left value. Okay. Which one is greater, student? This one is greater. It means 5 upon 6 is greater or option A. Option C is correct answer. Okay, student. So with the help of this, you can solve this question properly. This all things I given only for your proper explanation, only for your better understanding. Okay, student. So see, student, if fraction is not given, like fraction is given, you can find out directly. Unlike fraction is given, it means if numerator is same given, you can find out directly. But all things are different, student. So always you have to find out LCM. Or I want to say every time try to solve this method, because this is a very genuine method. You will not do incorrect with the base of this method. Okay, student. So now today we will discuss how to compare the fraction. In next video we will discuss some other things. So student, you have to solve all the questions based on this. Okay, student. Thank you.